Hey guys, this is Paul, Dr. Nacho. I have been a dentist for 19 years. Introduce yourself here.
I'm Daniel Owusu Antwi, a rising final year dental student at the Howard University.
So you're minus 0.75 years as a dentist, right?
Yep.
And then now, so we got 19 years minus 0.75, and how about over here?
I graduated in 2020 and I just finished my residency 2 months ago.
So we're gonna go 1.1 years, okay? So we have a collective 1.1 minus 0.75. So we got like 19.25 years of experience, mainly for me over here. So we just saw one of my patients. We've done implants, overdenture. Daniel, what is something you learned about patient communication watching me interact with this patient?
You have to be very clear and explain what's going on. Listen to the patient as well, so you'll be able to understand where they're coming from and try and meet them both ways so you can provide the best service.
And really good, so they like you. So one great tip I have is people ask you a lot of questions. Some of them are weird, some of them are repetitive. So you say, that's a great question. A lot of people ask about dental insurance. So when you say that's a great question, a lot of people ask that, you're showing empathy. Dr. Alicia, what did you learn about patient communication?
Today we learned about positivity. We don't use negative words, we use words with positive connotations. We use words like hurdle instead of a problem.
Hurdle instead of problem, challenge. You've got a real problem. That doesn't sound nice. That's a challenge we want to overcome together. That's a hurdle a lot of patients go through when they hate their old floppy denture, and then we found a challenge is what, Alicia, with overdentures?
Sometimes
It could be what?
Too tight.
Too tight, like Goldilocks of overdentures. Well, so glad to have you guys here. Dr. Alicia, you now work here with us. Dr. Daniel to be almost is observing for the day. I highly encourage you, Nachoverse, to bring awesome young dentists into your office to learn. Daniel, you've been here. What is the value of observing dentists as a dental student?
You learn a lot that you don't really get taught in the classroom in dental schools. And
we talk also, Dr. Lisa Sisu, this is on stage, our first floor, but we have an upstairs. Does a lot go on behind the scenes, Dr. Alicia, that you didn't realize as a dental student or resident?
A lot more behind the scenes than I knew.
Yes, so behind the scenes, behind the circus is very important. Thanks so much for sharing, guys.
thank you, Doc.